Hi, today I'm going to make these beautiful flowers called straw flowers. Very pretty and very easy to make. Materials required are crepe paper in dark pink, light pink, yellow, orange and green, thick wire, a pink colored crayon and green floral tape. All the measurements are in centimeter. This is the stencil for the inner center. This is 4 by 21 centimeters, cut one piece. This is of the neck center. This is 3 by 11 centimeters, cut one piece. This is of the petal, the inner petals. So this is 4 by 25 centimeters, cut two pieces. Then this is of the outer petals. So this is 4 by the whole length of the paper. This is just cut one piece. These are the leaves. So the smaller leaf is 8 by 1.5 centimeters and the bigger leaf is 10 by 1.75. So cut as many as you like. So first just take a little bit of the green floral tape. Stretch it and wind it on one end of the wire, the thick wire. Like so. Then take the yellow strip and just fold it in half. And now just make fine cuts on it all along the whole length, cutting about 1 centimeter long strips. Like this. So I'll just cut the whole length. So after cutting the strip like this, first just just to make things easier, just apply a little glue inside. And on top. Take the wire and just wind it, keeping the wire halfway of the strip. So just roll the paper. Keeping this at the same height. Like this. Now take some more floral tape. So this will prevent the the center from sliding up or down. Like so. Take the next piece for the center and just fold it in half once, and again on this also in the same manner. Just make slits as we did earlier. Like so. So I'll just cut the entire strip. So after cutting the strip like this, apply glue on the base. And wrap it on the center, keeping just about 1 millimeter on top of the previous center. So this is how it will look. Take one of the strips of the inner petal, smaller petal size, just fold it in half. First make a slit halfway through like so, and then just cut very thin petals on it, kind of triangular shapes. So this is what they look like. So I'll just cut the entire strip. So this is how it will look. Now I'll just curl these. Turn it over and then just apply glue. Take the center and put it about 1 centimeter above the center like so. And just wrap it around. So this is how it will look. Press hard and just press on the top so it bulges out a bit like so. Take the second strip and take the pink crayon and just color it about 1 centimeters, 1.5 centimeters on one side, about 3/4 of the strip. So this is how it will look. I have left a little here, as you can see. Now this also I'll just fold the same manner and make slits also in the same manner as I did earlier. So these would be slightly longer, about 3/4 of the strip. And this also. Again, same kind of petals. So I'll just cut the entire strip. So this is how it will look. Now I'll just curl this. And these I'll leave as they are, you know, the plain ones without any color on them. I'll leave them straight. So just apply glue again. And wrap it around this. So this, sorry, I have to start from here. So try to keep the same height as the previous one and just wind it. So this is how it will look. So now take the dark pink strip paper and I'll just measure out 4 centimeters on this. Like this, and I'll just cut this strip. Like so. And this strip also, you open it up, fold it, maybe again, and cut about 3/4 of this, and the same manner that we've been doing, just make these fine petals. Like so. So this is how it looks. Just open it out. And I'll curl this also in the same manner. I'll curl the entire length like this. So make it slightly stronger curled than previously. Like this. So after doing the whole length, I'll just apply glue. So I'll apply glue bit by bit, not the entire thing because it becomes a little messy. Takes so much of an area, and then first just wind it. So like this, I'll just apply more glue and wind the entire thing. So this is how it will look, like this. So now just press down these dark pink petals. And a few of these light pink ones. This is how the flower would look. So now just take the leaves and curl them in any way, so you can twist it like so, so that it curls. Just a simple curl. Like so. So these are the two smaller ones and these are three big ones. Now take the green floral tape, long piece. Stretch it. So since this is a little thick, I'll just apply glue on the base so that the tape sticks well. First wind the tape. Tucking it in a bit. And then take the smaller leaf and just stick it right at the base of the flower. And leave a gap of about 2 to 3 inches and attach the rest of the leaves. This is how the flower would look.